The approach I just showed you is called test-driven development. And this is where you would write the tests first and then finally write the code to make the tests pass. So you design how the function should work as part of writing tests, write a series of tests to describe how the function should work, and then finally write the function and keep changing it and updating it until all the tests pass. And this is called test-driven development. And as you do this, you just make a small change to the function to pass one test, run the test, check that test has passed, then work on making the function pass the next test, and then rerun the tests, then work on making the function pass the next test, and so on until all tests pass. And obviously you start off with the point of all tests are failing because the function isn't written yet. And this is a very common process in software development called test-driven development, which you will come across more and more as you progress as a programmer. And it's a very, very useful software development technique. And one of the biggest advantages to doing this is that if you do introduce any new bug at any point, you immediately notice it because you start seeing a test failing. So if any new bug is ever introduced into the system, then you are immediately aware of it because you see a failing test. When using a more standard approach where you'd actually go onto the website and test things, it's very easy to miss stuff and not know there is a bug until someone using the website reports the bug to you. Using test-driven development, you can have far more robust software and be sure that changing code does not break existing functionality.